My name is William Escobar, and I'm a service technician for Carrier. What I enjoy the most about my job is that feeling you get after a customer call during an emergency, and then you get to be the hero when you get them back up online. I was 12 years old when my dad passed away. It was about 2 years after his passing that I realized that nobody else was going to take care of my mom, my sister, and me. And it was on me to take care of the family, and this was something that allowed me to do that. I was a senior in high school, and it was a graduation requirement to do an internship. And my mom, who was taking college classes here at Laney, she found out about the program. Originally, the plan was I was going to do it for 6 months, just to graduate high school and then go on to get my degree. But because I was doing so well and I was enjoying the program, I stuck with it and completed the program. It's been great for me. I bought my first house when I was 20 years old. And that's a big shift from after my dad passed away. We were living on folk welfare, and we were bringing in, I think it was about $8,400 a year back then. So to go from living on folk welfare to buy my first house at 20, and then buy my mom a house for her birthday at 24 is huge. That's a huge transition. I believe in human potential. No matter the circumstance, I know that if I can do it, anybody else can do it too.